And this is really the beauty of the One Up Lighting kit. You know, if one strip messes up, or in my case, if it pulls a wire out, the LED strip, instead of taking, well, at least where I install my stuff, taking 2 hours to replace the whole kit and caboodle, you can spend 25 minutes and replace one strip. Hey everybody, today we will be replacing one of my LED strips for my One Up lighting, because somehow or another the wire got ripped out. I have it secured really good, but the wire, something must have grabbed it. I don't know, the boogeyman. So now my underglow kit in the rear does not work. One of the main benefits of the One Up lighting kit is that each strip can be replaced independently. So since I knew that I was probably going to destroy a strip or 2 or 4, because it's 6 strips total, I just ordered a whole nother kit. Each strip I think starts at like $50. So I mean, by the time I possibly destroy one side twice, that's $100. I might as well just order another kit. So that's what I did. Oh, it was pretty decent. Alright, so we'll just pull this off. But when we get to the front, we're just gonna chill out because it's still attached. So I'm gonna pull my clips off. I might end up pulling the front wheel off just to make it easy. Yeah, I'm gonna pull the front wheel off just to make it easy. So for me, my wire runs all the way up around the wiring harness, and then it comes down to that plug right there. So I'm just going to unscrew that, cut all my zip ties, pull that out, and then I'm going to plug up the new strip, plug it up to the plug that goes to the rear of the car, make sure everything works, and then wire it all up, zip tie it, and we'll be done. Alright, the front is connected, so now let's move to the rear. Alright, this was easy because the plug is right here. So let me just unplug or unscrew the old plug, plug in the new one. Where's the arrow? Right there. And make sure you screw the cap down, keep it waterproof, keep the moisture and stuff out. And now we have a working rear strip again. And this is really the beauty of the One Up lighting kit. You know, if one strip messes up, or in my case, if it pulls a wire out, the LED strip, instead of taking, well, at least where I install my stuff, taking 2 hours to replace the whole kit and caboodle, you can spend 25 minutes and replace one strip. Now I do understand you could get 3, if not 4 Govee kits off Amazon for the same price as one Up lighting kit, but every time something messes up, you know, if you don't care about spending 2 hours to install another one for $50, hey, then the Govee kit is the way for you. But for me, if I can spend 20 minutes and be done with it, this is the way for me. And this is brighter, and I like the Bluetooth app better. So let me get all this back together, and I'll be back probably when it gets dark, show you everything's work, and that'll be the end of the video. So if you do have a One Up lighting kit, or you plan on getting it, or you want to see the benefits of it, this to me is the main benefit. You can replace a strip and be done with it and not have to replace everything that comes in the box. All right, and I just wanted to show y'all that everything is working. Both sides is working, and then the rear is also now working. So this will conclude this video. So like I said, the biggest reason for going with the One Up Lighting kit is that you can replace individual LED strips. So if something happens like it did with mine, you can spend 20 minutes, replace the strip, and not have to remove the entire kit and redo it. So if you are considering it, you can save a little bit of money with my discount code. I'll put it on the screen and it will be in the video description below along with the website. This is the One Up Lighting UnderGlow-X. So until next time, think, build, enjoy. Peace.